Hello, everyone. Welcome to BUS ML 4212 Customer Relationship Management course. I'm Dong-Soo Kim, the instructor of this course. And in this video, I'm going to review the course. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dong-Soo Kim. Dong-Soo is my first name and Kim is my last name. You can call me Dong-Soo or just Dong. I'm currently an assistant professor of marketing at the Ohio State University. This is my contact information here. And I'm currently in this semester, I don't have a fixed office hour. And instead, you can email me to make an appointment. And I'm going to respond to your message as soon as possible. And I'm from South Korea, not North Korea. And I'm not a native speaker. And my mother tongue is math. Seriously. That is, this course is totally mathematical. What does that mean? That means you will learn several mathematical tools in this course. This course is not just to overview what is CRM. You will learn how to implement CRM in practice through those mathematical tools. Customer value metrics, RFM, recency, frequency, and monetary value analysis, and logistic regression. This course includes lectures and lab sessions. In the lectures, you will learn what those mathematical tools are and when and why you use those tools. In the lab sessions, which follows the lectures, I'm going to share real data sets with you, and you will learn how to actually conduct analysis with the tools you learned in the lectures. For analysis, we are going to use Excel and SPSS software. So I want you to actually do it, not just learn it in this course. Class logistics. This course is a 7-week course, and each week is designed for one topic. There are two types of content in each week, online content and offline content. And online, through the current website, you will watch 1 or 2 recorded lectures. In some weeks, there will be additional articles and video materials. And after that, there is a lab session, and there is another stuff, an online quiz. For the lab, all materials, including lab notes, data files, and demonstration video will be provided. And the online quiz includes several questions that will help you understand better about what you learned in the lectures in the lab. And offline, we are going to meet in person twice a week. On Tuesday, we will have small group discussions. You will be randomly assigned into several groups and asked to discuss managerial challenges related to the cases in the lab with your group members. After discussion, you will submit your solutions via email and briefly present them. And a guideline for the group discussion will be provided. And this group discussion is required. That is, you have to attend the class and participate in the discussions. So if you expect your absence, please immediately let me know and discuss with me about how to make up. And on Thursdays, we will have a Q&A sessions. This session is optional. That means I will be in the classroom on Thursday, but you don't need to attend the class. You may use this time for online content, or you may bring your questions to the classroom about some unsolved problems in the lectures and the labs. Schedule. In the first week, CRM and conceptual foundation will be introduced. You will read the textbook and watch my lecture video and read or watch additional materials. And then you will take an online quiz, and all lecture video and additional materials will be available in our current website. In the second week, several metrics to measure customer values will be covered. The format is the same as the first week: textbook, lecture, and additional materials and quiz. In addition, there is a lab assignment. As I told you, all materials, including video demonstration, will be provided. And during this week, we will have an in-person discussion for managerial challenges related to the first week topic. In the third week, you will learn customer lifetime value. And the format is the same as the second week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, quiz, and lab. During this week, we will have an in-person discussion for managerial challenges related to the case in the week 2 lab assignment. In the week 4, you will learn RFM, recency, frequency, and monetary value analysis for customer classification. And the format is the same: textbook, lecture, additional materials, quiz, and lab. And during this week, we will have an in-person discussion for managerial challenges related to the case in week 3 lab assignment. In the 5th week, you will learn logistic regression in the same format, including a group discussion for the case in week 4 lab assignment. And in the 6th week, we will discuss about how to implement CRM and loyalty program. This week's topic is like a general discussion, not those mathematical tools. So instead of having a lab session, there will be 2 individual assignments with HBR articles. You will read those articles and be asked to summarize the articles. And we will have an in-person discussion for the case in week 5 lab assignment. In the last week, we are going to deal with the real case of the mathematical tools. You will read an article and watch my video that explains the situation the managers faced in the case. Then you will watch my video demonstration for lab assignment, where you will be asked to conduct analysis in the article. And in this week, we don't have a discussion session. Instead, we will have a Q&A session for any questions about the case study and the final exam. And the final exam will be on the last class day, that is the Thursday, February 24th. And in the schedule table, I used some color codes for your convenience. Again, to get good credit, you have to successfully finish all of those items. And you can find this schedule in our course syllabus as well. And grading. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 components of grading. First, we have quizzes. Again, there will be an online quiz in each week. The quiz covers all lectures and additional materials provided in the week. It contains several true-false, multiple choice, and short answer questions. Second, lab assignment. There are 5 assignments. For each assignment, we will have 1 or 2 recorded videos will be provided, recorded video, and those videos are provided to demonstrate how to conduct data analysis covered in online lecture. Detailed lab procedures and data sets will be provided, and you will submit your answers and lab files online through the Kerman website. And please note that each lab assignment is basically designed as an individual assignment. That is, each of you must submit your own original work and answers. Some discussions are allowed, but any types of collaboration are not permitted. Third, in-class discussion. As I introduced, we will have 5 in-class group assignments related to the cases in the lab assignments. And students will be randomly divided into small groups of 4 or 5 students and asked to discuss about several managerial questions and develop CRM strategies with group members. Detailed directions for the discussion will be provided. And after the discussion, 1 or 2 of the students in each group will submit the answers to the questions via email and present their strategy. And fourth, other individual assignments. In week 6, 2 HBR article, HBR case study materials will be assigned. They are real-world examples relevant to the topic of the week. They will be discussed in the lecture. So you are required to read and summarize the assigned case studies before watching the lecture. And an online submission page will be provided on the Carmen website with several questions that help you summarize the cases. By answering those questions, you can understand the case studies and critically think why they are important and how you can apply the knowledge to other cases. These are also individual assignments, so each of you must submit your own original answers. And of course, any types of collaboration are not permitted. Fifth, final exam. It will be basically a closed book exam with about 30 multiple choice questions. But you can use an one-page cheat sheet written by yourselves. I strongly recommend you to use handwriting because yeah, it will help you much more understand better. And the exam covers all contents from the course, including textbook, lecture notes, discussions, and other supplemental materials provided in the course. For your preparation, a set of example questions with correct answers will be offered before the exam. And last, attendance and participation. To receive full credit of attendance and participation, you have to successfully attend and participate all of online activities and in-person classes. If you miss an activity or a class, there will be a proportional deduction in your grade. And I have some policies about the due dates and late submissions. The due date of each quiz and assignment will be announced with the quiz and assignment instruction in the Carmen website. Late submissions will be accepted, but there will be a 10% penalty per day after the due date. If you need more time for the quiz and assignment due to any personal issues, especially for health issues, please email me immediately. We can figure out the best way for both you and me. And taxable. We will use this taxable customer relationship management concept, strategy, and tools. This is the third edition, which was published first in 2018. And the authors of this book are V. Kumar and Werner Reinhardt. This book is available in Amazon and the university bookstore. And HBR articles. There are 4 HBR articles that we are going to use in this course. The first one, Blue Apron article, introduces a real case where customer lifetime value is used to decide the firm's strategic action. We will use this material in week 3. And the second and third ones are the articles you have to read and summarize in week 6 before watching the lecture. And the last one, Pilgrim Bank article, will be used in our class and our case study week 7. And because of the copyright of those articles, I cannot share my copy with you. So yeah. Instead, I made a course pack in HBR website. This is the link. And you can access this link in the slide file of this video. And just click the link to go to the purchase and download page for those articles. Yeah, each one is $4.25. So yeah, that's it. And software, we will use Microsoft Excel and IBM SPSS statistics. Excel will be used for all of the assignments, and SPSS will be used for the last 2 assignments. So you can find the detailed instructions of how to install the software in our course syllabus. So please refer to page 3 in our course syllabus to install it. And if you have any problems during installation, please email me. I will help you resolve the problems. All right, this is the last page I have. The others. Please see the syllabus for details. Our course syllabus is uploaded in Syllabus tab of our common website. The syllabus is a contract between you and me. That is, it is your responsibility to read the syllabus carefully and clearly understand what the syllabus says, and keep in mind what is the important thing to do to get good credits. If you have any questions and concerns during this course, please email me immediately. I, as the instructor of this course, will always be here to help you. Okay, that's all I have in this video. So, see you soon, and bye-bye.